Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn about kids' dream home tour. Number 1. Study room. Study room is like a special space in your house where you can do your homework, read books, and learn new things. Number 2. Utility room. Utility room is like a superhero closet where we clean our clothes with magical machines and store special tools that help keep our home tidy and happy. Number 3. Bathroom. Bathroom is a special room where we take care of ourselves, like brushing our teeth and taking refreshing baths. Number 4. Living room. Living room is like our family's cozy nest, where we play, laugh, and snuggle together. It's where we create happy memories and share stories with each other. Number 5. Bedroom. Bedroom is your personal kingdom, filled with soft beds and favorite toys. It's where dreams come to visit, and you rest to be ready for a new day of adventures. Number 6. Dining room. Dining room is where we gather to eat yummy meals as a family. It's like a special spot for delicious food and sharing stories around the table. Number 7. Closet. Closet is like a magic wardrobe where we keep our clothes neatly tucked away. It's where you find your favorite outfits for each day's exciting adventures. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.